Many of us have experience with sales and selling items, and we know that there's a couple of factors that could go into how many sales or the number of sales that we can make. The cheaper the product, possibly the more sales. The more advertising that we use, possibly the more sales. And so what we have another one, which is a combined type of model, a combined type of variation that we're looking at. And so in this particular sales model, we know that sales of rollerblades are directly related to ads. Your advertising budget goes up, the more sales you make. But we know that the sales will go down with price. As the price increases, sales will go down. So that's an inverse relationship. So what we have is a model that combines two different types of ideas, where sales varies directly with advertisement, but indirectly with price. Got that? So I was able to build that model based on what my observation or what the model prescribed to me. Sales varies directly with advertising. Sales varies indirectly with price. So there's my initial model. So from there, let's get some initial information that we can build and figure out what's this constant proportionality that's helping to solve this. So sales, we were able to sell 1,200 units when our advertising budget was $60K at a price point of $40. Solving that, 12,000 times 40 divided by 60,000. Found my cost proportionality is 8. So that allows me to now better define my relationship of this particular model. So sales varies directly as 8 times its advertising budget divided by its price. So this was helpful because let's say, for example, I want to increase my advertising budget another 10,000. And what should I expect for sales to be? And it helped me to forecast that that's a good usage of doing that. So my new sales will equal 8 times 70,000 divided by my price point, which is 40. And given that, I'm expecting the number of sales to be 8 times 70,000 divided by 40. And I'm expecting the number of units to be sold 1,400 or 14,000 units. So I know this is a little simplistic, but it's getting us to a little bit more of real life, of the things that we observe out in the world that we interact with. And one way to help make comparisons, to make forecasts, is through this idea of variation, direct variation, combined variation, and so forth. And it's one that's a very powerful tool that we need to be able to understand and utilize.